Forget everything you think you know about boring beans. If your beans don't make you want to dance after the first bite, you're doing it all wrong. Welcome back to Legacy Life Kitchen, where we turn everyday meal into an absolute masterpiece. Today, we are diving into Nigerian comfort food classic, the ultimate beans and corn porridge. You heard me right, beans and corn porridge, also known as ADALU locally. Yes, guys. So the first thing you are going to do is to pick your beans. Make sure they are thoroughly clean because you don't want to smash stone or stone while enjoying your beans and corn. So once you are done picking it, you are going to rinse it thoroughly, and just the way you see me do, I boiled some water, added it to my pot, and added my beans and onions to it as well. So I allowed it to cook for a few minutes before going into adding my corn. Yes, guys, you want your corn to be boiled with the beans so that the flavor can be 100%. So after that, the next thing you are going to do is to set that aside and allow it to continue cooking. So now you want to prep your sauce. Yes, that's where the secret lies. So get in another pan, add in enough palm oil, slices of onions to it as well. Let the onion fry a little bit so that it can saute and the aroma can come out. Once that is ready, the next thing you are going to do is to add in your pepper mix from your scotch bonnet, habanero and onions. You are going to add that to it. Once you have added it, go ahead and add in a pinch of salt, your ginger and garlic powder and a seasoning cube. That's optional, by the way, but I like to add a seasoning cube to mine. So once you have added that, you are going to stir it together, allow it to cook before going into adding your protein chunk. So I am using diced pomo and my catfish, the dry catfish I use. So I allowed everything to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. So once that is ready, I've already removed my corn from the web as well. So the next thing you are going to do is to add in your beans. Can you see how glossy my beans is looking, and it's looking all rich? So the next thing I added after adding the beans is my corn. So once I added the corn, I'm going to stir everything together. Don't forget that you're already done cooking because your beans is cooked, your corn is cooked. You are just mixing everything together. So you are just going to allow it to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. So once you have done that, then your beans and corn porridge is ready. This tastes absolutely delicious. If your mouth is watering right now as much as mine, smash the like button. Let me know in the comments what you'll be pairing yours with. Is it plantain or gari? Hey, and if you want your kitchen to always smell like heaven, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification on. Until next time, I love you all. Bye.